at this fog, guys. Wow. The guys in the front of me had to put on their hazards just so we can see them. You can't even see their hazards from here. Look at these headlights. Watch these headlights. Can you guys see that? That's how thick it is. You can see my headlights up in the air, just like my brights just beaming. This is crazy. There's that boy. There's that boy. Yeah.
Chair stuff.
He's trying to go under and wedge his chair.
Dude, this is clear. This is gonna be sweet. I haven't been here in a year.
You haven't been here a year? Yeah.
It's nice here.
Oh yeah.
Grass.
Oh yeah. Grass is up to the top, baby. We're ready to play. Frogs, chatterbaits. We're gonna play today.
What'd you do? Look what I had tied on?
He's like, Mike, I'm stuck. I'm gonna spin around for him. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, what the fuck are you able to do? How's this chair stuck?
Cause he didn't take it out, and then he ran into the dam, wedged it in.
Oh man.
Hold on, I'll come jump on your boat. I'm coming at ramming speed, Captain. I'm gonna ram you out of there.
Hi-ho, Silva. Oh, he's struggling.
He's on the struggle bus this morning.
Is that the name of that boat? The SS Struggle Bus? Oh, looks like
He got out of there. He's out of there. Okay, he's safe. I just want to make sure you're good, buddy. Oh, the times.
Captain of the SS Struggle Bus.
Another memory. It's just made.
Dude, I was just watching your YouTube video.
There we go. We have a man here. We're gonna get this guy on. We're gonna get this guy on YouTube with us. Okay, what's your name?
I was literally just watching.
There we go. I appreciate it, brother.
That's awesome.
What's your name?
I sat here through frogs for 8 hours. I was like,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let's get those frogs going. What's your name?
Joe Vargo.
Joe Vargo. Joe Vargo. This is Kyle. That's Adam.
Nice to meet you.
And oh yeah, Joe Vargo got one on there. Joe Vargo, you are on YouTube for sure, baby. He caught the first one in the morning, boys. He started us off. I caught 13 of those last time I was here.
That's all right.
Hey, at least you got something today. You know what I mean? We're not leaving.
Hey, we're living. That's all that
Yeah.
matters, dude.
Hey guys, Joe Vargo watches the videos. He says he's out here throwing frogs. I just seen him get one. Joe, you will see yourself on the video, man.
Hey, man.
Oh yeah.
My cousin's out here fishing too. We're the Dirty 330 team. Dude.
There we go. There we go, guys. Hey,
What's up, Daddy?
yeah, you see you on the tube, man.
Right on.
Keep watching. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
Bash him today.
I hope we all smash them. Oh, it was up like in sitting position?
Yeah, I didn't think it would be that high. Yeah, it was stuck. Well, I couldn't even move. I'm literally lucky
Let me see it. Let me see
I
it.
got out of there.
He said, "Look, I got out of there. I was gonna come over there and
Dude,
stand.
gotta have serious.
I was gonna. I was coming to save you. Let's get these fish. Come on. Joe's got a lead on us already. He's got 2 in the boat. Oh yeah, let's get them. Wait till this fog clears up a little bit, boy. We're gonna be on them. Nice area right here. Get some flukes, guy. Let's go. Double fluke in it. There we go. Send them out there.
You smash on those things? I've never seen you do that.
Yeah, I've caught on it. Last time I was here, I caught. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice one too. Nice one. Nice one. Guy's got a nice one on it. He's got a nice one on the donkey rig. He got down the grass. He's down the grass. He's out of the grass. He keeps trying to get down the grass. Keeps trying to get down the grass.
Nice one.
Oh yeah. Got him on the double fluke, boys. Yeah.
You like this reel? Like the colors, yeah.
Monty's got one. Got one.
It's a nice looking one. On the fluke again.
And while I'm watching Monty, I get one.
Did we just double up?
Double up, baby.
We just dubbed up.
Dubbed
Get
up.
out of here.
We just dubbed up, baby.
On the double.
Woo, doubling it up. Out here doubling up.
Did you just hit on the ball? I mean, that's a team fucking player.
Back in the Booskios.
Got him.
On the frog, boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Going in for him.
Go in.
Oh, first hit on the frog, boys. There we go.
Can't even see it. So seaweed.
Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe. Ooh, Mr. Joe. You see how I got down for that? Guggen Bates frog. Whew. Joe.
Get that away
What's his
from
name?
me, bro. It's Margo.
Joe Vargo, baby. It's for you. I'm the frog. He was here looking for one. I got you one, Joe. Joe Vargo. That's a nice. That's a one something, Joe. It's probably better than them little ones I was catching earlier. I'll tell you that. Oh, that's a goodie bag for you boys. Hold on. Not for you boys, but for.
Got one. Oh yeah.
Look at this guy. Got a double up.
A double.
Got a double up.
Where is he, Kyle?
He's in there.
He's in there. Pull us in there, Kyle.
Oh, he's in there. Here he comes.
Here he comes. Same spot too, just about.
Yeah, dude, that was like right there.
Oh no.
Oh, he's still there.
He's still there!
He's still there. Kyle's first of the year. What a double up. 3.
Let's go.
Here you go.
First one of the year, baby.
Boom. Turn around. Yes. First of the year and not my first, but that's a nice one.
I'll take
113. I'll take it. Hell yeah. Let's go, boys.
For you, Vargo.
Release over here. Yeah, just toss him, man. Get him. Look at that. Oh yeah. He's wily. I'm a frog.
That's for you, Vargo.
That's for Joe.
Joey Vargo.
Hey, it's still just so.
Got him. Big one.
Oh, he's got another one.
Nah, it's a small one.
Small one. He's still got another one.
It's a decent sized one.
Okay. Yeah, he's a 1 pounder. Another one. Number 2 for Kyle. There we go.
Ooh, bitch.
They are over there in that little cove
They
right there.
sure are, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah, dude. You know some spots? Well, take me to them, boy. He said third one, little guy. It's a pretty cool idea for the walkie-talkies. Even better. Got him over 40. Peppermint. It's not spearmint. Oh, got one. Oh, little guy.
That's a real little guy.
I've been on.
We haven't ate fast food in like over a month. And
I miss Taco Bell. That's what I miss.
I just had Taco Bell last night. Okay. Little guy. I match you, little guy for little guy. Okay. Number 3. Everybody's got 3. 3, 3, 3. That guy got a good whip too. He stuck it like right. He's like, oh, what the hell is that? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Number 4. Kyle's got to play catch up now. Seems like the little guys are down here playing now. I mean, there might be a big one in the midst of those little guys, obviously. Oh, got one. And that's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one. Got him on his side. He hooked it again. He fucking went over and attacked it and got hooked. That second one hooked him. I'll take it though. Illegal! That's why you put toothless goldfish to a little bit more down. Okay, look at this. Look at this little fish, this grass right here.
Oh. What the hell is this, dude?
Little duck.
An Ohio penguin? Did you see that?
Yeah, a little duck. Little white and black duck.
He said an Ohio penguin.
Look out of here, bud. You seen it?
Yeah. Black and white duck. Come on, big girl.
It's gonna drive me nuts what's in this water.
What's driving you nuts?
What I put in this water. Monty got one.
Oh, same time! Same time! Oh yes, double. Oh, I got a nice one. I got a nice one. There we go. Ooh. He ain't super nice, but he's nicer. There we go. Double up with my boy. You see that, boys?
That was sweet.
Doubling up. He hit me like pow.
Hey, real deal. I seen a nice one jump fucking
That-
up right there.
Kyle got one. Kyle got one. I got one too. Double up. Double up. Number 7. Having fun with the boys. Fun with the boys. Bow. A little number 7. They're biting over here.
Dude, it's like our 4th double today. No lie, dude.
Doubling up out here, boy.
I'm about to get a drink because I just, yeah. Little bass slime I licked.
He licked the bass over there. He's
Yeah,
tasted
look,
it.
little bass slime.
You wanna use my towel?
Oh, another one.
Obviously there's a school right here.
There's a school right here. Number 8.
Hey.
We were on a school of those little guys right there, boy. That was for show. One thing I could tell you for sure, there was a school. And there was biting flukes.
I'm not gonna lie to you, dude. You might want to spark one up.
Especially when I just got another one.
Oh, carp, okay.
Monster carp.
Look at that one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I mean, I'm just pulling up. My boy Joe. Don't let him jump.
fishing with Joe.
11. Kyle's getting. No, but I'm saying for his YouTube thing. That's what he's talking about.
Oh, yeah.
I'm watching his YouTube.
Yeah, to subscribe on Twitch it's $5, which is f***ing insane. Got one?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, battery. Okay. He's alright. Little guy. Like it. Number 12. We had all small guys though, but still hella fun.
Still fun
Yeah, fun time. Just killing them.
Only time it's not
It's
fun
only,
is
it's,
when...
only, it's only 11:45. I mean, we've got another 5, 6, 7 hours of this fun. Kyle's got one right now, I think.
Yeah, Kyle?
Nice one.
Kyle's got one, yep. Go ahead. Hold up a second.
I see it.
Oh, it's not that nice, but go ahead. It's a normal one. It's the same size.
Feels like it's huge. Oh, it's a decent size.
Yeah, it's a nice. You got it. As I said, it's the same size we were catching, isn't it? Got him. That's a nice one. And that's a nice one. Oh, not as nice as I thought. Wide mouth like cows. Last one too. They have their mouth open like
Dude.
A,
And when they hit it, it makes it feel like they're a tank.
I mean, he's not a small one, but he's not a huge one either. That's another good one. Fluke, number fucking 13.
Off comes from all around the fuck around here. Oh.
14. Fish down there. Got one there. Dude's giving
Cute but dirty high. Oh.
Oh, got me right away. Look at that. I said, let me pick up the Fluke, and boom.
It's not linked. Your shit's not linked up right.
Is that why it's only recording one out of every fucking other one I win? I win two, I only get one?
Yeah,
Unlink your account.
Oh yeah.
Got him.
mine. Can you unhook that?
Oh yeah, big one, boys.
If that's on the color I gave you, I'm never talking to you again.
No, this is not a frog, baby.
Ooh, that is a big one.
That's not a frog.
You want me to grab the net?
Nope, I got him. There we go, boys. Guggen frog.
Is that the new one?
It's the Guggen frog.
Wow.
Eat me. And he ate it. There we go, boys. That's what we've been looking for all day. I've been throwing the Fluke and nailing them on the Fluke. I got like 15, 16 on the Fluke. But the two I got on the frog are the bigger ones.
Biggest ones.
Yeah, the biggest ones of the day are the two on the frog. And that's why I throw the frog.